Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Kay, and in today's video we'll be doing a sculpted polygel set on my returning client. She did take a 2-month break from getting her nails done, and she's been wearing press-ons at home and experimenting as well. But yeah, so she is back in my chair, and we are going to start working on getting her nails back to where they were before. In the length, she usually gets polygel overlay on her natural nails. We cut them down, and she was just wearing press-ons for the 2 months that she was out, and then some. She has some bruises because she was trying to do cuticle care at home with her drill and stuff. So she does have a little bit of bruises on her cuticle area, but her nails still look good. So yeah, I thought she wanted medium, and well, she wanted medium as well. So that's what I sculpted, but she quickly changed her mind, saying that she wanted them a little bit shorter. So I had to cut them down a little bit shorter. So you guys will see when I pop back on camera with her length a little bit shorter than what we started off with. Here I'm using my medium cuticle barrel bit to take up any dead skin that's on her nail plate, as well as push her cuticle back. And I am making sure I'm doing this very gently, guys. I'm not being like heavy handed or anything like that. And I'm using it in both a forward and a reverse direction. I like to do this just to ensure that I take up every dead skin that is on the nail plate. So now I'm going in with my 240 sanding band to prep her natural nails. And then I will be nipping just a tiny bit where she has the bruising on her middle finger and her pointer. She has a little bit more skin than I like. So I'm just going to nip that away. And then I'll go in with my cuticle ball bit to soften and smooth the area out. So they say if you nip it, go on ahead and smooth the area out. So that's what I did. So now I'm going in with the nipper just to nip away just the dead skin, guys. Nothing else. Just the dead skin. But yeah, I'm going to let you guys go ahead and watch this portion, and I'll be back once we get to application. So guys, here I'm using some of my favorite forms to use. I do have them listed in my Amazon storefront. So if you guys want to give those a try, let me know how you like them. Um, I'll be using the Macard Polygel in Le Crepe. And guys, correct me if I'm wrong. I don't know where they got this name from, but yeah, really love this neutral pink color. I usually go for their nudes and their clear. Once I seen that they came out with a lighter pink shade, I grabbed it. I do try to stay stocked up on their polygels. So yeah, love working with them. I am using both alcohol and acetone to help with move the product down to the length that she wants. I always use a mix of both alcohol and acetone. I don't have any problem using a mixture or anything like that. It doesn't stick to my brush. I did find these brush at Dollar Tree maybe 2 months ago. I bought like 10 guys. Love the bristles on them, but I can't find them. So I don't know if it was TikTok or Instagram, but somebody told someone and someone, yeah. So they're all sold out. I wish I had bought more. Love using them. I use them on a daily basis. So I'm going to have to replace them at some point. So here I am going in with my second bead on her second finger and basically just doing the same motion, tapping the product down to her free edge, making sure her apex is her cuticle area is nice and flush, and they are short, so she don't really need much of an apex, but they do need to look nice and natural. They need to be sturdy, so if she do go in and bump her nail, they don't just pop off. So yeah, and I'm making sure the sides are nice and capped as well, because you don't want to leave any gaps, so the product will snag, and then you'll have problem there as well. So I'm just making sure the structure is there before I take the form off and go in and shape and seal her cuticles and go in with her polish. She is going in with a hot red today again. She wanted red. And I was like, red, are you sure? She said yes. So she went for the D&D Ferrari red, of course, because it's so popular. Everyone seems to love it. So yeah. And guys, I did want to thank you guys for subscribing to my channel from my recent lives. For everyone that tuned in, and I got to chat with some of the people who I started with when I first got back on YouTube 3 months ago. So I am getting out there, guys. I am slowly but surely. I'm still editing my videos and uploading. Coming on live is a little bit more difficult for me because some days are just busier than some. So yeah, I do appreciate you guys subscribing. Please let me know if you like what you see so far, and those videos are up and live on my channel, so if you want to check them out, please feel free to leave me a comment. Let me know what you like most about watching me work, what you've taken away from watching me work as well. And if you have any suggestions, I'm definitely open to it. I'm not going to stay through the entire video and talk your ears off. So I do hope you guys enjoy the rest of this video. And I will see you guys in my next one. Again, thank you for subscribing to my channel and joining my community. I am just here to share my work with you guys. And you can share yours with me. And I'll take away from it what I may. And I hope you do the same. Have a good one, guys. See you in my next one.